Welcome to White Bear Lincoln, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with available Google connected in-car apps, driver attention alert system, acoustic laminated windshield, USB auxiliary audio input, power windows with safety reverse, multifunction steering wheel controls, rear cross traffic alert, auto stop start, Bluetooth auxiliary audio input, LED daytime running lamps, and much more. Since 1978, family-owned White Bear Lincoln has been providing our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing experience around. We provide a friendly atmosphere where you know you're getting the best service because we care about our customers. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make sure that you find a vehicle that is just right for you. Our online reviews say it all. Come see for yourself why so many happy customers choose White Bear Lincoln.